When you are traveling abroad, due to various wireless providers' restrictions, you may not be able to receive text messages at the phone number you had previously enrolled into the multi-factor authentication. So it is important that prior to leaving on your trip, you install Okta Verify app on your phone and learn how to use it with a verification code. This method of verification does not rely on any network connectivity, providing you with the assurance that you will never be locked out of your Union account due to multi-factor authentication. Okay, let's make sure your Okta Verify is ready for your trip. Please make sure you have your computer and a smartphone before you start. Open a browser on your computer and log into your myapps.union.edu account. Go to your account settings and click on Edit Profile. For security reasons, you may be prompted to provide your password again. You may also be asked to provide an additional verification factor. Scroll down and locate the Extra Verification section. If the button next to Okta Verify says Remove, this means that you had already set up Okta Verify, so you can skip ahead to the next section of this video. If it says Set Up, click the button to continue. Click Setup. Select the type of phone you are using and click Next. On your phone, go to your application store, search for Okta Verify app, and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted to choose the account type, please select Organization. Next, click the Scan QR Code button and allow Okta Verify to use your camera to scan the QR code. Allow push notifications and click Done. Now that you've set up the Okta Verify, let's see how you can use it with temporary access codes. Again, this method does not require any network connectivity on your phone, so it is the most reliable way to provide extra verification while traveling. The next time you're prompted to provide extra verification, please select Okta Verify from the drop-down menu. Do not click the Send Push button. Instead, click on the Enter Code link below. Open the Okta Verify app on your phone to get the code and enter it on your computer. Next, press Verify. Note that this temporary code rotates every 30 seconds. A progress bar at the top indicates the remaining token lifetime. If you don't think you have enough time to type in the code, simply wait a moment until the new code is generated. Now you are ready for your trip.
Bon voyage!